Somehow in my morning scroll, the idea of selling artwork popped into my mind, and I started exploring that. Found that really cute Printful thing where you can get the 3D look at your paintings or whatever printed on a piece of apparel. And that was my daughter's favorite painting in the trip to Mexico I took with her. And then I thought, I wonder what my favorite painting was. And so I was looking at the other paintings I did in Mexico. That was really great. This botanical, handpicked by the sweet granddaughter. These landscapes was like I was on a mission to do a decent landscape when I was there. And, they look okay, I guess. But really, some of my favorites were, there's another landscape. A tree, nothing like a good tree painting, right? A shot painting in the cafe, that was a favorite right there. And I thought my biggest favorite was this one right here. I don't know why. Great trip, painting vacation to Mexico. Thanks for watching.